everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We're going to use these colorful ribbons and make beautiful flower out of it. So cut a small pieces and we're going to make multiple cut on all of them. After this, curl them and paste them. You can take help of hot glue gun like we're doing here using the lighter. After this, you can also fold it around the green wire and cover it using roller tape, and look, your flowers are ready. Combine them together with the leaves and it's done. We're going to make rose flowers using ribbon, so let's get started. First, cut small piece of this blue ribbon and curve it and fold it using this fire. We're going to paste it. You can also use hot glue gun and paste all these petals together. After this, combine all the shapes one after another in layers and make a beautiful flower like this. We're also putting the leaves. Cover it using green flora tape, and look, your rose flower stick is ready. Let's make sunflower using ribbons. So first we're going to take this brown ribbon and make multiple cut, paste it around the stick using double-sided tape, roll it, and look, it's ready. Now we are going to cut this yellow color of ribbon, curve it from the sides, and using this fire we're going to twist it and make this beautiful flower petal shape. Now we are going to make more such flower petals and combine them around the brown one like this, and look, it's ready. So we are going to cut this green color of ribbon and we are going to make the leaves here for the sunflower. So cut the leaf like we are doing here in this video. You can also take help of the fire and fix the loose threads of the leaves and put it at the back side of the flower like this. And look, it's ready. Similarly, we are going to combine the leaves together on the green stick and cover it using flora tape, and look, your beautiful flower is ready. Let's make this beautiful rose flower using different shades of pink and white. First, we are going to cut small piece of ribbon, fold it, and using fire, we're going to fix the loose ends. Now paste all the petals together using hot glue gun. You have to make these different shades of flowers you can see in the screen. Now fold all of them, put all of them around the green stick one after another. You will get this beautiful rose flower. Cover the leaves using flora tape on a stick, and look, it's done. You can make more such flower sticks. Cut a 4 cm red ribbon. Now cut the flower petal. Using fire, we're going to curve it and paste more petals together. Here we're going to combine 5 petals and put all of them one after another on the stick. Cover it using brown flora tape and keep it aside. Now take this tissue paper, roll it like we're doing here. Now take another red ribbon. We're going to make a bird here, so cover it as well using flora tape, and it's done. So we are going to make these beautiful flowers using ribbon and combine all of them together. Look how we are going to combine the small flowers and birds as well on the top of this green stick. We are using this brown flora tape. You can take green one as well and combine all the flowers together one after another. We are also going to make a thick stick. So roll the tissue paper and cover it as well using flora tape and combine all the flowers together, and look, it's ready. You can put it in a vase like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.